YouTube, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I have a wonderful unboxing. I am so excited to have this. I've been looking for this for a few months. It's a difficult item to find, very difficult item to find, especially difficult to find at a good price. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting into this. Okay, so I did a video recently on the Reel and some strategies I use to get items there and see them like quickly when they first post. So if you haven't watched that, I'll link that below so you can make sure you check it out. I used those strategies. I logged in and started looking at the updated Vuitton right after they had posted new listings one morning. And this popped up and it was on hold, because when you put something, when something pops up and you're really interested in it, you want to put it in your cart right away because it holds it for you for 20 minutes and that way nobody else can get it while you decide for sure if you want to buy it. So somebody had this on hold and I waited and waited and I refreshed, and I want to tell you, I have never reacted this way before when I was trying to get something online and it was on hold and I was refreshing and hoping, you know, to see it come available again. I've done that before, but I have never been so nervous. I don't think I was shaking, but maybe I was shaking a little bit. I was like that weird and obsessive about it, which is strange because it's just, you know, a little item, right? It's not like a really important thing. But I've been looking for this. I have to tell you, I'll give it away if I tell you too much. Okay. I just want to say I was so excited when I found this. And then when it came up where it was no longer on hold, I was refreshing literally every few seconds. I'd refresh as soon as it would finish loading, I'd refresh again and again and again. And that's how I got this, because this was an item that was gonna sell out within the first few minutes, or, you know, the first few people that would be available to get it. I'm talking too much. Here is what is inside the box. It has this trifold, I'm gonna guess, stuff inside of it. Yeah, this trifold sheet from the Reel about selling with them and all this stuff. So you can pause that and look at it if you're interested. My receipt is there. Oh my God, when I tell you what I paid for this. Okay, there is bubble wrap. And, oh, can you see the print? You can tell what that is, right? Okay. I'm excited now to open it too. Since I bought this, we moved, as you know, and if you saw my last video, and I really haven't been thinking about this, and it just came within the hour, and now unboxing it, I'm all excited again. Not as much as I was that day, because I was a little crazy nuts. That was weird. I was freaking myself out that I was reacting that way. Oh my God, look at this. Can you guess from the size what it is? So it didn't have the original Vuitton dust bag, a little disappointed about that, but does not matter because of the item it is and the price. Oh my God. You're gonna flip out too, because you guys know, yeah, now you can tell what it is. Whew, there she is, look at that. The Pochette Accessoires in Damier Azur. Here's the little tag, can't remove until you decide, you know, remove it, it's yours. Look at her. Okay, I'm looking at the screen first to show you guys, because I try to show you guys before I even look at it myself. Look at the flippin' vachetta on this. It is like brand spanking new. One of the things about the Reel I always say is that their photographs are awful, so there was no way for me to know, other than the date code, where this was made. It didn't show the thing. I mean, it is like, okay, you see these things pre-loved and these little tags, the corners are all bent and frayed. This one's made in Spain, goodbye me. I mean, it is perfect. It's like it was never used. I'll have to get it and compare it. All my stuff is packed up because we're still moving in, but I'll have to compare the Pochette to another piece to see the patina on it. I mean, there's maybe a slight patina, but it is nearly white. The canvas, I'm gonna look it over since I showed you. I'm looking at it myself for the first time. The canvas looks great. The pattern looks pretty symmetric. Not 100%, but you know, that's how Vuitton is these days. The hardware is like new. It's got no chipping, no discoloration. It's just solid gold color. Beautiful. Inside, if you can't tell already from this strap, and actually that strap seems like it's the same length as the strap that I have on my other Pochette Accessoire, my graffiti one. So I'm gonna have to compare the length of this strap too. Okay, I just went and grabbed, this is one of the few things that I still know where it is right now during the middle of our move, but I just went and grabbed my old model Pochette Accessoire. Okay, now I'm seeing. So when I pulled this out of the dust bag, I thought that strap doesn't look particularly long because the new model, it's supposed to have quite a bit longer strap so it fits over your shoulder and you can wear it comfortably as a shoulder bag. I thought, well, that doesn't seem any longer than I remember my old one being, but now I just pulled the old one out and that is a huge difference there. So just wanted to show you that. I'll do another video comparing the two models at another time. Inside, you will see that this has a pocket, which means that this is the new model Pochette Accessoire. That was one of the reasons I was so excited about this. The Pochette Accessoire, let's get down to business here and I'll tell you why I'm so excited in case you don't know. The Pochette Accessoire in Damier Azur, they discontinued these bags sometime in 2017, I believe. May have been 2018, but I think it was 17. And ever since they've been discontinued, this has been the most difficult of the three canvas patterns to find. And when you do find it, if you find it at a good price, so this retails, the new model retailed for, wait, are they discontinued? I think they're not discontinued. They're just very, very difficult to get. They never have them in stock anymore at the stores, or it's very rare that they have them in stock at the stores. And when they do, they sell out immediately because they're so hard to get. And they're very rarely available online on the Louis Vuitton website too. So when you find them on the Preloved market, they are very overpriced. They retail for $525. These usually go, even in poor condition, they usually start around $700. I've seen them over $1,000. So I've been looking for one in good condition. This is an excellent condition. I've been looking for one as close to retail as possible because I really didn't want to pay $700 plus for a little pochette. I do plan to use it as a pochette in another handbag and as a crossbody bag, but yeah, I just didn't want to spend that much on it. So this is one of the reasons I was so excited. It's the new model, which tends to be even more expensive, and harder to find. You tend to find the old model that doesn't have the pocket and it has a shorter strap, and then because it's older, it's poorer condition usually. And there might be color transfer on the Azur and all that stuff. So anyway, the Real had this new model, excellent condition, like brand new. Again, it retails for $525, $425, guys. I got $100 off retail for a practically brand new Pochette Accessoire in Damier Azur, guys. That's why I was freaking out that day. Okay, let's look at the inside again. So I'll do a comparison between my old model and the new model, but this is what it looks like inside. It's totally clean. has a pocket, which is so nice, especially if you're using it as a handbag, shoulder bag, or crossbody bag. That is really lovely. The date code is inside the pocket here. My date code is CA4142, and it looks like this. There's the date code, so you can see it there. The inside is the textile lining, like a raw canvas. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's exactly what I've been looking for, and I am so excited to have it. So I will take this out and play with it. If it's not gonna rain tomorrow, we're going to a winery for a sangria and jazz festival. So I may just take this with me, and I'll let you know how it does and post some pictures on the Instagram. There you have it, guys. That is, I mean, you guys know. Those of you who have been looking for something like this, y'all know how difficult it is to find, and to find at a good price. I mean, this is ridiculous. This is why I shop at The RealReal, guys. This is why I encourage you guys to shop there. It's not like you find things like this every day. You have to keep going, like you have to be vigilant and obsessive about it, but you'll find stuff like this, and it's ridiculous. I mean, I've said this before, I feel like somebody at The RealReal doesn't know what they're doing, because you find deals like this. If you went to Fashionphile for this, Fashionphile's great, not knocking them, but they sell these for $700–800. $425, guys, at The RealReal. I'll link them below. Go check them out, and watch my RealReal video also to get tips on how to find deals there. Yeah, I'm so excited about this. Okay, thank you for watching. Please let me know what you think about this in the description box below. I'm curious to know if you have the Pochette Accessoire, if you prefer the new model or the old model, and what your favorite print on it is, because they come in the 3 canvases, they have limited editions, they have the vernis, the patent leather, the epi ones. I'm thinking about getting an epi one too. Lily LV got a black epi, and it's beautiful. I'm thinking about that. I saw, I think on Fashionphile, I saw an epi electric, which is the patent epi, so it's shiny and stuff. I think that would be pretty. So I'm considering that one, but one of you is probably gonna buy it before I do. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and sharing in the excitement with me. I know you guys understand the craziness. Thanks so much. Remember to like the video, leave a comment below, please. I'd love to hear from you guys. By the way, I used to be so good about responding to comments. I do read all of them, and I click the approve button so that they go and show up on the videos. With everything that's been going on this summer with the move, and then there was stuff that happened before that, I have not had time to respond to many people, but I am reading all the comments, and I appreciate that you're commenting and trying to have a conversation. I'm not really living up to my end of the bargain there, but I do really hope to get better about that soon when I have time. Of course, as soon as we finish moving in, I'll be back to work at school pretty soon. It's just a few more weeks. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna get back to my outro. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't already, and please click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and again for sharing this with me, and I will see you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye.